Hello everyone, my name is Holly Austin and I'm here to demo my project FusionChrono. FusionChrono is a time-weighted average price swap across Etherlink mainnet and Base mainnet powered by 1-inch Fusion. Leveraging 1-inch Fusion Plus to seal bids auction to eliminate MAV and minimize slippage. Some of the key features of FusionChrono includes cross-chain, time, weighted average price swap. Another one is the integration with 1-inch Fusion Plus to route swap through Etherlink's layer 2 for low fees and intent-based settlement through relayers. We also have a real-time slippage analytic page where you can compare the savings versus the market order. We also have a decentralized relayer network that makes sure that each of these users' swap is being collected and relayed to the destination chain. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the demo. So we click on connect our wallet, click on MetaMask. So we connect. You can see our wallet. Then I can start my app. Once I start my app, I can schedule my swap. So you can see you can move from Etherlink to Base. For this hackathon, we only just did cross-chain between two Etherlink mainnet and Base mainnet. This is live on mainnet. So let me go with, you can use your wrapped ETH or USDC. So currently, I'll be using USDC from Etherlink to Base. Now this is one USDC because it has 6 decimal place. So it's one USDC. So, but I will be using 0.1. That's what I will be sending. That is 0.1. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of 6. Then let me use 5 different slice. This shows your slice. So how many slices do you want it to go? So I'm slicing what I'm sending into 5 different slices. So and I put here 300 means for 5 minutes. So each minute is 60, one slice goes. Each minute, one slice goes. For 5 minutes is what I'm having. So make it 300 for 5. So you can increase or reduce based on what you want. So here is the minimum return amount. This minimum return amount is the minimum which I normally it must be lesser than the total amount you are sending. So if I'm sending, so I can use 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since I have 5 zeros, reducing it by 1 zero makes this minimum. It can be any value, but it shouldn't be greater than your total amount. So after which I can now approve my USDC. So once I click on confirming USDC, so the first thing is to approve and confirm the cap. As you can see, spending cap 0.1 because this is live. So I'm spending little amount because it's live. So it's not testnet but mainnet. So you can see the gas price is less than 0.01 XTZ Texas, which is the native of Etherlink, native coin of Etherlink. So at this moment, I have um, approved my USDC. So I wait for the transaction. Now the transaction is confirmed on Etherlink. So Etherlink, you can see the transaction on Etherlink. Then after which we wait for the button. Yes. So we are still waiting for it to be mined. Once it is mined and settled, our button will change for us to schedule the swap. So we're still waiting. Yes, we are still waiting for the transaction. Confirming our USDC. Confirm. Spending cap. Okay, you can see the approval. Now the approval cap has appeared. Now that the approval cap has appeared, you can now see that the schedule your swap appears. So you click on it. You also confirm that now I want to schedule my swap in 0.1 USDC in 5 different slices. So once I click on confirm, we wait. Okay, our transaction is confirmed. So once the transaction is confirmed, that is all it is on our own to do. So the next thing here is to wait every 1 minute. One portion of the slice will actually run and then be swapped. Every 1 minute, the second slice, the next 1 minute, the third slice. Finally, let's see the slippage analytics. So the slippage analytics is where we now see what we have gained. So as you can see here, the expected gain, you can see we have 0.0118% slippage. So you can see no one is red. All are all green, meaning between each of the interval, there were profits made. So this works with the relayer, and this refresh every 5 seconds. It refreshes. So you can still go back to your. So this is what we have built. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. And Etherlink and Base. This is another bomb, FusionChrono, to help cross-chain swap. Thank you.